Have you ever wished you could capture life exactly as it feels, not just how it looks? Because sometimes, a video isn't just about showing people where you've been. It's about letting them feel the heartbeat of the moment, the rush of wind, the vibration of motion, the pulse of adrenaline that makes you feel truly alive. That's exactly what the DJI Osmo Action 6 was created for. This isn't just another camera trying to fight for your attention in a crowded market. This is a storytelling tool designed to make your memories look and feel cinematic, even if all you're doing is living life on your own terms. The Osmo Action 6 turns ordinary adventures into extraordinary stories. Whether you're flying down a mountain trail, surfing a wave, or walking through a quiet city street at sunset, this little powerhouse transforms every moment into something worth remembering. What makes it different? What makes people call it the best action camera of 2025? It's not just the specs, and it's the feeling. The first thing that hits you is the image quality. We're talking 4K at 120 frames per second. Crystal clarity that reveals every tiny detail, every splash of water, every glint of sunlight, every dust particle floating in the air. It's not just video, it's life, slowed down, replayed, and reborn in breathtaking color. DJI's color science has always been known for its cinematic magic, and here, it's at its finest. The colors are rich, warm, and real. Not overdone, not artificial, but exactly the way your eyes remember the world when you're in the middle of something unforgettable. The sunsets look deeper, the skies look wider, the greens of the forest feel alive, and when you watch it back, it doesn't feel like a recording. It feels like a memory you can walk back into, but it's not just about looks. It's about movement. The stabilization, Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady, makes your footage impossibly smooth. You could be running, jumping, climbing, or crashing through waves, and your video still feels like it was shot on professional rails. No gimbal, no fuss, no distraction, just perfect steadiness that follows your every move with almost eerie precision. It's like the camera reads your intention and adjusts before you even realize you've moved. Imagine running through a forest trail with sunlight flickering through the leaves. The Osmo Action 6 captures it without shaking, without breaking the immersion, keeping every step sharp and cinematic. It's almost unfair how good it looks, and then there's the build. You can tell right away that this thing was designed to survive chaos. Waterproof up to 18 meters straight out of the box, no protective case required. Drop it, dunk it, freeze it, it doesn't flinch. This is a camera that doesn't ask for perfect conditions. It thrives in the unpredictable. Rain, snow, heat, dust, it doesn't matter. It's ready before you are. And if you're the kind of person who loves storytelling, this camera becomes an extension of your perspective. That front-facing screen is a game changer. You can vlog, narrate, or frame your shots perfectly without second-guessing. Combine that with DJI's upgraded microphone system, and suddenly your voice sounds clean, powerful, and natural, even when you're standing on a windy mountaintop or riding a bike at full speed. But here's what really makes it special. It's not the specs, it's the experience. Using the Osmo Action 6 doesn't feel like operating a gadget. It feels like freeing yourself from one. The interface is fast, responsive, and intuitive. You don't waste time thinking about settings or modes. You just live, and it captures. Picture this. You're hiking a trail at dawn. The world is still asleep, your boots crunch on the dirt, your breath is visible in the cold air. You reach the summit just as the first rays of light spill across the landscape. You raise the Osmo Action 6, hit record, and it captures the scene exactly as it feels. Golden light, crisp air, endless horizon. You watch it back later and realize that it didn't just record what you saw. It recorded what you felt. That's what makes this camera addictive. It's built for people who live for the moment, not the setup. Every part of its design whispers freedom. From the magnetic quick-release mount that lets you swap angles in seconds, to the battery system that actually lasts. And yes, battery life. Finally, a compact action camera that understands what real creators need. Long recording sessions, minimal downtime even in cold conditions where most cameras give up. The Osmo Action 6 keeps going. That consistency, that dependability, is what separates it from the rest. Now, if you're comparing it to the GoPro Hero 12, let's be honest, the GoPro is great. But the Osmo Action 6 has a certain rawness that feels more authentic. It doesn't try too hard to make everything hyper-real or over-processed. It just shows life as it is, with the kind of natural cinematic texture that makes your footage feel expensive without actually requiring hours of editing. The colors are more human, the tones more grounded. It's the difference between watching a commercial and watching a story that matters, and maybe that's the point. Because this isn't just about capturing extreme sports or crazy stunts. It's about capturing your life. The small things, the in-between moments, the laughs, the surprises, the times you don't even realize are special until you see them again. The Osmo Action 6 is for the storyteller, the dreamer, the person who wants to preserve time in the most beautiful way possible. Whether you're a traveler crossing states, a parent filming your child's first bike ride, or a solo creator documenting your own growth, this little device becomes your voice, your eye, your memory keeper. And here's something deeper. We live in a world where everyone's trying to impress. Perfect edits, flashy transitions, filters everywhere. But the truth is, what connects people isn't perfection. It's emotion. It's authenticity. It's those moments when your hand shakes a little because your heart's racing, when your voice cracks because you're laughing too hard, when you drop the camera and pick it back up, and it keeps recording. That's what makes the Osmo Action 6 special. It doesn't punish imperfection. It turns it into art. It captures life the way it happens, unpredictable, beautiful, and real. Think about it. Years from now, when you look back at your footage, what will matter most? Not the resolution, not the specs, but how it made you feel. The excitement in your voice, the smile on your face, the sound of waves, the wind, the laughter, the chaos, that's what stays. And this camera, more than any other, makes sure those feelings come back to you exactly as they were. That's what the Osmo Action 6 does best. It doesn't just capture moments, it captures emotions. And maybe that's why people love it. Because when you use it, you don't feel like you're documenting something. You feel like you're living something worth documenting. It reminds you to get out there, to try, to explore, to move, to create, to feel alive again. You stop worrying about angles and lighting and start focusing on being present. That's the secret. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just about better videos. It's about better memories. So if you're sitting there wondering if it's worth it, ask yourself this. When was the last time a video of yours made you feel something? When was the last time you watched your own footage and thought, yes, that's exactly how it felt? If you can't remember, then maybe it's time to pick up something that changes that. Because this little device is more than just an action camera. It's an invitation. An invitation to live louder, feel deeper, and remember better. And that's the beauty of it. It doesn't matter if you're a professional filmmaker or just someone who loves collecting memories. The Osmo Action 6 doesn't care about your skill level. It cares about your story. Every time you hit record, it's like telling the universe, this moment matters. And later, when you watch it back, when you see the world through that perfect, balanced lens, you'll realize that the Osmo Action 6 didn't just record your adventure. It became part of it, so don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it, jump in, get your shoes muddy, get your hands wet. Capture the chaos, the laughter, the noise, the quiet, all of it. Because the best stories aren't planned, they're lived. And the DJI Osmo Action 6 is ready to capture every second of it. Sharp, smooth, colorful, and real. The world moves fast, memories fade faster, but with this camera, you'll never lose the feeling. You'll look back years from now, press play, and for a few beautiful minutes, you'll be right back there. Wind in your hair, heart racing, living fully. And that right there is what makes the Osmo Action 6 more than a gadget. It's a time machine for your soul.